WebNX Crash here, and today I'm going to show you some slides of me DuraCoating my Sears Roebuck Model 54 lever action 3030, which is equivalent of the Winchester Model 94. So the first thing I did was take some pictures of the original after I'd cleaned this up a little bit at this point. Here's some pictures of the parts after they've been broken down and a little bit of prep work done. Masked off the integrals. Then I put the first layer of black DuraCoat on. And that is actually my pistol slide. So that's not part of the 3030. I did DuraCoat right over the wood. It turned out just fine. No big deal. A little bit of the grain showed through, but I like the look of that, and it is possible, and it turned out the same finish as the metal. Then I put the stencils of the MirageFlage on, and it's just kind of peel them off and put them wherever you think they should go. I actually had the rifle assembled partly to get some of the stencils so I wouldn't have to line them up later. Then I put the snow gray on. The main coat, I think I did 2 or 3 coats, and then the later coats didn't take quite as much. There's it assembled with the second layer on. And then I put a few of the smaller stencils on for the snow white color. I didn't do too many of those. I wanted to leave it mainly gray and black. And there is the final product. I think this turned out very well, and I was very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.